So in one of my previous videos, I mentioned a makeup routine I do that takes less than 10 minutes. Perfect for lazy days when you cannot be bothered with a full makeup application, has no foundation, contouring, concealer, or even eyeshadow, and the ladies wanted a video. Well, this video is that video. Let's get into it. Hello intentional woman, welcome to today's video. So this entire makeup will be done with this powder palette from Classic Makeup. I have already moisturized my face. I'm going to go in with a primer, and the product I use is Pond's Lasting Oil Control. This product just works for me. I've tried others and I'm sticking with this one. But if you want to use this product, you need to be ready to massage it really well into your skin to avoid it leaving a white cast. Then I go in with my powder and I use a flat head brush because I want to press this into my skin. Do not brush it down. It won't give you much coverage. You want to press it in. Remember, there is no foundation and we need as much coverage as we can. So I go over my entire face with the powder. I usually do this 2 times because, well, no foundation and we need that coverage. So this is a second application. I'm just going over my face with the same powder. Next, I take a lighter shade of powder to do a mini concealer routine. I use that under my eyes to bake. Is it bake? I hope so. Then I apply some on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Then I fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using this eye pencil from Davis Makeup in color 018. I just like it. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and I mean, it suits my skin tone. Remember to brush it out. You want it to look as natural as possible. You can also use a bit of powder to clean up the eyebrow so that it looks neater. Blend the front part of your eyebrow so that it looks more natural. Now for eyeshadow, I use a darker shade of powder to go over my eyelids, and I do this twice. And for my brow bones, I use a lighter shade of powder. Next up is mascara, and the mascara I'm using is from Classic Makeup. I like this mascara so much. It's not too clumpy and it just gets the work done. Then to add some definition to my face so it doesn't look whitewashed, I use a darker shade of powder to do a mini contouring. The reason why this makeup is so easy to do in such a short amount of time is because it's powder. It doesn't need too much blending. While with foundation and liquid concealer, you have to take your time and blend it so well. So this is just perfect for lazy days or even when you're in a hurry. The makeup is coming along well and we didn't use foundation. Trust the process, ladies. Trust the process. Now it's time for some blush. This is the only time I'm deviating from the makeup palette because it didn't come with a blush and I need some color on my face. So I had to go find my blush. Using the same brush, I add a bronzer to my cheekbones. Fortunately, the palette came with a bronzer. Isn't that wonderful? Then I use the same bronzer on the bridge of my nose and blend it in. Using a fluffy powder brush, I'm going over everything with my powder just to smooth out any harsh lines and make sure the makeup looks very subtle and natural. Next up are the lips. So I line them, blend out the liner so it doesn't look too weird. Some lipstick and lip gloss. Then mascara for my bottom lashes, setting spray, and that's the makeup. Absolutely perfect for lazy days. You can also add lashes if there's still time or if you feel up to it. And that's it. That's the makeup routine, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. The product details will be in the description. Don't also forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because on this channel I share content that will help you become a better version of yourself for yourself. Trust me, you will love it here. As always, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.